This is just a quick video to show you how to do a double crochet 2 together or a double crochet decrease. It's often written in patterns as DC2 tog. So what you're going to do is when it calls for your double crochet 2 together, you're going to yarn over and go into your first stitch, just as if you were doing a normal stitch, normal double crochet. So you yarn over at the back, come back through your stitch, you've got 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then you're going to stop, and you're going to leave this sort of half completed double crochet stitch just on your hook, and you're going to move on to the next stitch, and you're going to start again. So you're going to yarn over, go into your next stitch, yarn over at the back, come back through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and stop. So you can see what you've got is 2 half finished double crochets on your hook. So to bring those 2 double crochets together, you yarn over and you pull through all 3 loops. So you've worked it over 2 stitches, and you can see this little V here. That's your double crochet 2 together. I'll show you again over the next 2 stitches. So yarn over into your stitch, yarn over at the back, come back through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, stop, into the next stitch, yarn over at the back, come back through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, stop. You've got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. You can see it just there. It's really simple, really quick. That's how you do a double crochet 2 together.